My heart travels to yours, even as the birds fly to the south. As the birds fly to the south, steady and true, steady and sure, my heart will find yours, even as the birds fly to the south. My heart travels to yours, passing through the valleys, in between us, through the valleys, in between us, deeper and dark, deeper and lovely, my heart will find yours, through the valleys, in between us. And when this pilgrim grows weary down this holy road, I will rest in the love that enlightened my soul. When the path seems to stretch further still, I will hasten my steps, persevering till my heart finds its home. My heart finds its home to yours, to yours, to yours. My heart travels to yours, even as the birds fly to the south, fly to